roller wore out on the arm of our frameless window, and we're going to try to replace this using some washers and making a rivet out of a bolt. Here you can see the roller. It is heavily worn. First, remove the screw holding the handle on the operator. Then I will drill out the rivets. Now I can slide the operator arms out of the slide on the window. Be careful not to lose the spacer that's within the slide. This prevents the arms from coming too close together and not being able to open again. Here you can see how badly damaged one of the rollers is. The roller is riveted onto the arm. I use a Dremel to grind off the roller. Here I show the replacement roller made up of 3 small washers and 1 larger washer and a bolt. The bolt head has been ground down to fit within the window slide. The roller is affixed to the arm by using a hammer to flatten the backside of the bolt. Now I'll slide the roller into the window slide. Adjust the operator out a bit so that it can be attached to the window frame. I use vice grips to hold the operator in place and a rivet gun to affix it to the frame. I lightly lubed and cleaned the window track. Test the operator now. If it binds, you may need to bend the arms slightly. Now replace the screw in the handle and replace your screen.